Hello everybody and welcome to this video tutorial where I will explain how the updated version works in terms of frames. The version I will explain here is iOS 1.0.41 and Android 1.0.79. When you open the app, you will see the icon for the frames in the middle of the lower menu. But to be able to see the different frames, you must first have uploaded a work of art and chosen a room. So now I choose a room, then I upload a work of art. So by default, the painting gets a shadow, and just above the lower menu, an editing tool for the shadow appears. With the plus on the left, you enlarge and reduce the size of the shadow, like this. And with the sun, you change the direction of the shadow. And with a check mark on the right, you close the editing tool. So, if I want a frame for my artwork, I close the shadow editing tool and tap the frame icon in the middle of the menu at the bottom of the screen. Now a series of pictures comes up with all available frames. At the far left you have the shadow, and to the right you have all the other frames. Just swipe left to see the rest of the frames. It's important to hold your finger over the frames when swiping, as it will not work if you hold your finger elsewhere on the screen. So now I just click on the frames to see how they look together with my artwork. At the far right, there is a cross. With the cross, you remove both the shadow and the frames from the artwork. But let's say I choose this frame, but then I want to change the room. Then I have two options. I can either press the frame icon again or press the room icon. The fastest way is to press the frame icon, and then it looks like this. A list of rooms will appear where the frames were, and just like with the frames, I can swipe left to see all my options. However, if I choose this option, I will see all of the room categories by default. So if I just want to see a specific room category, I'll have to press the room icon, which is the one on the far left in the lower menu. And then a list of room categories will appear. I just click on all rooms now. The best thing, once I've decided for a frame, is that now I can try my painting in different rooms without the frame disappearing. This was all for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful, but if you have questions or need more help, you can always contact our customer support at info@insituartroom.com. Have a wonderful day.